This is called the Trilobite Beetle, and you may be thinking, that doesn't look very much like a trilobite, that just kind of looks like a regular beetle. And it does, at least the male does. This is a female Trilobite Beetle, and it looks quite different than the male one does by a lot. It's also quite a lot bigger than the male. No matter the species of Trilobite Beetle, the female is always a lot bigger. The very, very obvious sexual dimorphism of the Trilobite beetles comes from the fact that the female actually retains its larval form. Instead of doing a metamorphosis into an actual, beetle, it just continues to grow and retain its larval characteristics instead of changing into something that's not eldritch horror-like. Now, this is called neoteny, when the adult of a species just retains the larval or juvenile characteristics. In this case, it just being a large larva instead of any form of adult. Now, we're not really 100% sure why the Trilobite beetles do this as far as I'm aware, but it may be to avoid expending all of that energy on reaching an adult form and being able to spend that energy instead on making more and more robust babies. Either way, it is a very neat example of some crazy sexual dimorphism in this species.